I use this to catch this. Here's how. Alrighty, let's get us some bluegill. Already, boom. Nice, perfect size. Perfect size for what we need. Egg sinker, bead weight. Then as it goes down, it's gonna be floating on the bottom with this little bluegill. So it's real grassy out here, so I don't want it to get caught up on the grass and stuff as I cast it. So we just caught another little good sized bluegill. We're just gonna put it out on a bobber. Got the bobber, got a little bead weight to keep it down, hook with the little bluegill. So we're gonna cast this out and see what we get. Oh, we're getting a hit on this bobber, guys. Getting a hit on the bobber. It could have been just the bluegill going crazy, but like I was saying, the bass you can keep 1 over 16 inches. You can keep a total of 5 a day. I'll start with that. You can keep a total of 5 a day. 1 can be over 16 inches, the rest have to be under. So a total of 5, 1 16 over with 4 less than 16, or 5 less than 16. Oh, the bobber. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah, guys, we got a nice one. We got a nice one. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, we got a monster. Oh, right on the lip too. Yes, yes, the bobber. Did you guys see that? This is a Mac Daddy bass. Oh my, look at this Mac Daddy. Look at this Mac Daddy. Whoa, ho, ho. This one I think is for sure over 16. This is a nice bass. Nice bass. Let's get this bluegill, this bluegill right out of the water so we don't hook into a bluegill and not know. Oh, no, no, no. Almost lost the bass. All right, y'all, he's in the cooler. That bass is in the cooler. Gonna try for another one. That was a nice bass. Let's get another little bluegill. Hey, do you guys wanna catch monster bass like that? Bobber, little lead sinker. Then what I have is a worm hook. You can see that, a worm hook. And that, you can put Sinkos on that. But the reason I did that is less likely for them to swallow it. And as you saw, that was hooked on the lip. So we're gonna get another bluegill, get it back out here, and see if we can get something else, guys. That was nice. All right, there may be a bass swimming under here scaring the bluegill. Let me try this side. Yeah. Oh, there they go. There they go. Nice. Well, I caught a shiner. So bass actually love these as well. So we're gonna put this out on the hook. This is gonna hopefully get a big one. All right, we got this shiner. All right, let's get it out there. Once we get this out, we're gonna check that bottom bait. All right, so you stay right there, buddy. Yeah, still on there. So we're gonna try over this way. Let's see what we get. Oh, and it's just relaxing out here. Just looking out at this water, it's just super calm, not windy at all. It's just so good to see God's glory and everything He made. This is real nice. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Here we go. Here we go. You see this? You see this? Something just hit this bluegill, guys. Something just hit this bluegill. We'll see if it's still okay. All right, we're on, guys. All right, we're gonna set the hook. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's another nice bass. Oh, it's another bass. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, he's barely hooked. Barely hooked. All right. This guy is barely hooked. This is another nice one. Oh, can I get him? Can I get him? Oh. All right, let me use these fish grips. I got fish grips. Never use them. All right, guys. Come on. Got him. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is another nice one. Nice. This is nice. Look at this. This is about the same size as that bass we caught a little bit ago. That was my first time using this rig. This was a nice catch. That was a epic catch. That was epic. We just got the release. We're gonna try to get another bluegill and get it back out there and see if we can get one more before we gotta leave. Whew, that was nice. That was nice. This wind is starting to pick up, but I want you guys to, can you see that rainbow? Look at that rainbow. That is nice. Man, where else are you gonna see something like that? Well, everyone, we didn't catch any more bass today, but we are so glad that we got this one. We're gonna go ahead and get it home so we can get it filleted and on the plate. I measured it and it was right at 16 inches. Epic. All right, guys, we are in the kitchen and we are about to cook up these tasty looking bass fillets. So you can see I kept the skin on because it's almost like bluegill skin. It'll be real nice and crispy once it's fried. We are gonna fry them after we cut them up into some pieces. We're gonna make some fish tacos. Got some tortillas in here. These is gonna be delicious. All I have to do is cut out a few bones that were left in here from the fillets. But other than that, some delicious looking fillets right here. Delicious white meat. So we're gonna show you that process and then we're gonna get the tasting. Just waiting on this grease, boy. Ooh, that looks, oh man, look at that. Oh yeah, baby. All right, we're taking this first batch out. Look at that. Bass nuggets. Oh, that's a nice piece right here. Look at that piece. The breading didn't stay on that good, but I think it's still gonna be good. I think it's still gonna be good. This last piece. All right, nice. That's a good piece right there, everybody. All right, we're gonna cook up the rest and eat. Look at that. All right, the fish is done. The fish is done. I also fried up the egg that I used to coat my fish in. But look at that, it's looking delicious. What we're gonna do now, put on some tortillas and I'm gonna add some sliced avocado. I love avocado. So I'm gonna slice some avocado, put it on each little taco. Then we're gonna taste. I may put some other stuff on there, we'll see. May just try it basic. Probably spread out this egg, this fried egg on both ends and go from there. But it's gonna be delicious. All right, it's done. Not the best looking, but I smushed the avocado, made some guac, put that egg on both sides, and then put the fish on both sides. So we're gonna see how it tastes. Let's go ahead. And also have just the nuggets over there, that bass. So let's go ahead and give it a taste. All right, we have our bass tacos, fried bass tacos. And it's looking, well, it's not looking the best, but I'm sure it's gonna taste pretty good. So let's go ahead, let's get this taste. Ooh. Ooh, that's so good. Ooh, that is good, y'all. Ooh, that is so good. Ooh, that is good. Now let's try the bass by itself. You know, with the avocado and the egg and the bass, That is so good. It doesn't have a fishy taste. Kind of has just like a light, light taste. Oh man, that is good. That is good. I've never had avocado on fish before, but I'm gonna do it more often. Highly recommend eating fast. Very good. Very good. Now, if you look at the how it looks when I fried it, I usually want it a little darker than this. I didn't have the grease hot enough, but the bass itself is cooked. Next time I'll make it a little browner, but ooh, that's good. But yeah, so just fillet by itself. Let's try it. Mm, mm. Oh man, that's good. Ooh, yeah, I can take this to the fish fry. They won't send me home if I take this to the fish fry. That's good. Remember, the bass used to look like this, and now it's looking like this. Super good, super good. I say better than tilapia. Better. I wouldn't say better than catfish. On a different level than catfish. It's good. So I'm about to finish this. I appreciate y'all watching. Go ahead and subscribe so you can see more stuff like this, and let me know what other kind of recipes you want me to try out. I know I gotta try fisherman soup, and I gotta try some other recipes that some of the subscribers just comment to me. I appreciate all of you guys. We're gonna do it again soon. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all week. Have a good one. Ooh, I'm about to tear this up. Excuse me, y'all. Look at that. White flaky meat. All right, see y'all.